Don't lie on your work. Know that no is an option when it can't be done. I'll explain in a second. What up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And I'm coming to you today. Please, first, let's get through this. Like and subscribe to the video. Your boy could use your help getting those subs up. And also, like the video so it can be relevant and get to the people it need to get to. So, enough of that. I want to talk to you about being honest about what you can and can't do. I believe that honesty is best when it's done, not only just for yourself, but also for your clients. Case in point, I had a situation today where I had to go out and give an estimate for a client on a leaf cleanup. Now, the leaf cleanup was definitely going to be about $300 worth of our time, which would have been really good. But once we got there, we realized that the lady did not have anywhere she can dump the leaves. That puts us in a compromising situation because here in Conyers, you cannot dump at the landfill if you're a commercial or some form of business. Now, of course, I was thinking, if you're residential, you can dump for free. I do live in Conyers as a resident, but I didn't want the headache, and I didn't want to be dishonest about dumping it and trying to finagle my way into getting it done for free. Even though I know that would have been a good payday for us because we could have used our new mower that we have, which I hadn't showed you. We put one of those baggers on our John Deere. We'll get to use it, and hopefully we'll show you the video on that. So I gave her a call, and I had to explain to her my limitations. Well, one of the limitations I have is the place I can dump does charge money. However, it's not close by me, and I will have to give her that cost of what it would cost me, which I think it would probably cost me about another hour, maybe 2 hours to get everything over there, haul it over there, dump it. Then what it priced that to dump it, it would have just been a little bit more money than I wanted to charge the customer. I know you said, hey, you should have charged her that and see what she said. You never know. But here's the thing that I know. Know your clientele. I knew it was going to be too much money, so I didn't want to insult the lady by giving her the go-away price. So I had to say no to the job. Yes, I did. And hey, by the way, if you're in Conyers and you have a better solution on how to get rid of leaves, please put it in the comment section. So I'm reaching out to some of you lawn care pros in my area who may deal with what I'm dealing, because if you're in Conyers, there is no dump site for Conyers or Ga.Covington for commercial property, or should I say for commercial businesses. So help a brother out. So put this in your repertoire, fam. No, can't do it. Be honest to yourself. Be honest to your clients, and you'll cut on. So hopefully this video can go a long way. Once again, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any ideas for your boy that he can talk on, talk about, that can really bring some more content that maybe you may not know, maybe want to know, put it down in the comment section. All right, this sun is blazing and it's killing my eyes right now. But cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.